as you can see, this is two fine individuals being combined into some sort of better human form. We're of course using a Pokemon as a placeholder, so don't take it the wrong way. And then basically what we've discussed for our ideal bionic human is just for Unit 1 we created cell enhancing dosages and fodder cells. And basically, we'll get into those later. Unit 2, genometer and human scanner, and Unit 3, anti-cancer cancer cells and barrier cells. And basically, our goal within this presentation is not actually to really change the human body in the form of how it really looks, but rather to readjust the framework within it and help defend it better. Cell enhancing dosages, like I mentioned, basically you'll be injected with a dosage of basically just cells that will assist you, and they help to improve your white blood cell performance and helping them be unaffected by infections and lessen the chance of white blood cell related diseases. Diseases such as leukemia will essentially have this very minimal chances of occurring. This injection will be very simple and the cells will not have anything to do with rewriting DNA for the sole purpose of remaining ethically sound. So essentially it would be like it wouldn't affect it wouldn't rewrite your cells. It would just give them like a temporary boost. So this would be kind of like a booster shot or something of the sort, where it would just be performance enhancing just for like a few days or something, only whenever you really need it. And next we have fodder cells, where basically these cells will be placed within the ear canal through the use of a Q-tip, where nerve damage has been caused. These cells will trigger the brain to send cells to repair the damage caused by the fodder cell. The fodder cell will be perceived as a harmful cell, but its sole purpose is to drag out the stem cells and to repair the damage already caused. And the fodder cell only acts as a catalyst and does no physical harm. So this may sound a bit weird, but essentially we would put the fodder cell into the area of damage. This was designed typically for the ear canal, but basically you would put it there and then the brain would think something harmful is there, so it would send cells to go repair that area. So essentially it would get tricked into trying to repair itself. It may not cause guaranteed recovery, but it could help.
A sort of machinery that can scan your gene pool within an instant by the use of a thermometer type gun tool that is able to gain a sample of your DNA without much effort. This tool can help the arduous process of obtaining DNA, and it could speed up the process of diagnosing diseases and could speed up the disease identification process. Human scanner. The human scanner will be a much needed improvement for like an MRI type machine, and it will be an AI automated piece of technology that can monitor and detect any sort of negative gene traits within your body, even whilst it's dormant. This can help to identify issues and prepare them for properly and efficiently before they strike you. This AI would identify genes through the input of various common diseases and viruses and develop an algorithm that can predict just what is bad for the human body. This algorithm would be able to detect new strains of bacteria unknown to the machine and unknown to the world, detectable by the machine. This could potentially save millions of lives. Anti-cancer cells, a type of white hat cancer cell that targets their cancer cell brethren in a way to defend the body. This cell would be placed within your body either via injection or other means, and deploy an artificially created cancer cell that targets cancerous cells and destroys them. Then, after no cancer cells are detected, they travel towards the urinary system in order to be properly exited out of the body via urine in order for a safe removal process with no leftover waste or permanent damage. Barrier cells, a cell that would be inserted into the cancerous area of your body, and what these cells will do is cut off the cancer cells and shun them away from causing further harm to the body, as most cancerous cells tend to spread. Let's say Gibby has cancer. Gibby would get a barrier cell injection, and these cells will surround the cancerous area and prevent them from spreading to other parts of the body or other organs.